Question: Aflatoxins, recently heard in the news, is related to what? A family of toxins produced by certain fungi, a phytochemical useful for treatment of cancer, a hormone that regulates the blood flow, an agrochemical that is used as a herbicide. So which of the following is the definition of aflatoxin? Now this is related to fungi actually. Now we have seen different uses of fungi. It is useful in medicine field, it is useful in food nutrition field, where it can be substitute to different different components of the nutrition like protein, fat, etc. It can be used in various flavoring agents also, fungi. It can be used in preservatives also. The chemicals taken from fungi can be used in preservatives also. Now see, this is a contradicting thing. Fungi is the main problem why food is getting stale, why food is getting damaged, spoiled. Same way for the chemical, some fungi produces some chemical that can be used as preservatives also. So these kind of microorganisms, fungi, bacteria and all those, have different uses. Algae can be related to eutrophication, which is a bad thing, which is a environmentally polluting thing. Algae can be used in various food items also, like we have seen the single cell protein. We have seen different gelatinous products which is derived from this algae. So these kind of microorganisms, fungi, algae, bacteria, etc. have dual use. It can be good use, good utilization, as well as it can harm the environment, harm the humans. It will cause fatal, deathly diseases also. So anyways, aflatoxins is a toxin, is a family of toxin that is produced by certain fungi. Now let's have a small brief version of this. Aflatoxins are a family of toxins produced by certain fungi that are found on agricultural crops such as maize, corn, peanuts, cottonseed and tree nuts. See, if you buy this groundnut, the roasted groundnut, if it is not fresh, if it is very old one or a stale one, if you open the groundnut or the peanut, if you open it, it will have two parts. In the middle of that we see some kind of a black fungus thing, a mold, black powdered thing. That is certain kind of fungi which, if not treated well or if not heated or etc., it can produce certain kind of chemicals. That chemicals is called aflatoxins. So tree nuts, cotton seed, etc. are the major thing. Corn, peanut, etc. are the agricultural products which have high susceptibility of developing this fungi if not stored properly. If a high moisture content is there and we are not treating it properly, then it will result into the formation of aflatoxins, which is very harmful to human body. Now the main fungi that is responsible for the production of aflatoxins are Aspergillus flavus and Aspergillus parasiticus. Just a fact, you no need to remember the name, just remember Aspergillus, that's all. It is found in warm and humid regions. If the storage is not proper, if the moisture comes and attacks on this food products, especially nuts and almond, cashew nuts, etc., that will result in the formation of or the development of this Aspergillus fungi, thereby the production of aflatoxins. It can contaminate the crops in the field at harvest and during the storage. So during the harvest also and in the crops and the stored product of that. So entire life cycle of crop, this fungus can be affected if not stored properly. So we have seen the importance of cold storage, supply chain management. We have Sampada scheme, agro-marine processing industries. We have many mega food park scheme. We have seen in different current affairs sessions, right? Mega food park scheme, food processing industries, Sampada scheme, and the budget which is particularly concentrating on developing the cold storage, the supply chain management, even the transportation of perishable goods from one place to another, having cold storage facility vehicles. So there this question comes into the prominence. This has been already asked in the UPSC. So this can contaminate crops in the field as well as during the harvest and also during the storage. So long-term exposure to this aflatoxins will result in an increasing risk of liver cancer. That is why it is very deathly. We need cold storage. So the answer here becomes a family of toxins produced by certain fungi. So which all are the fungi? Aspergillus flavus. So A becomes the answer here.